Precautions for using electric blankets to minimize the risk of heart-related issues.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic: precautions to take while using electric blankets to minimize the risk of heart-related issues. Electric blankets can provide warmth and comfort, especially during the colder months. However, it's essential to use them safely to avoid any potential health risks, particularly for individuals with heart conditions. Let's dive into the precautions you should keep in mind to ensure a safe and cozy experience.
Understanding the risks.
Before we discuss the precautions, it's crucial to understand why electric blankets can pose a risk to individuals with heart-related issues. Electric blankets generate heat by passing an electric current through wires woven into the fabric. This heat can potentially elevate your body temperature, which may lead to several health concerns, including cardiovascular stress.
Consult with your healthcare provider.
If you have a pre-existing heart condition or are at risk for heart-related issues, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before using an electric blanket. Your doctor can evaluate your specific situation and provide personalized advice based on your health status. They may recommend alternative methods to keep warm or provide guidelines on using an electric blanket safely.
Choose a high-quality electric blanket.
When selecting an electric blanket, opt for a high-quality product from a reputable brand. Look for blankets that meet safety standards and have additional features designed to minimize risks. These features may include overheat protection, auto shut-off functionality, and adjustable temperature settings. Investing in a reliable electric blanket will ensure better safety and reduce the chances of experiencing any heart-related issues.
Inspect the electric blanket regularly.
Before each use, carefully inspect your electric blanket for any signs of damage or wear. Check for frayed wires, exposed elements, or loose connections. If you notice any defects, refrain from using the blanket and consider replacing it. Damaged electric blankets can pose an increased risk of electric shock or fire hazards, which can negatively impact your overall health, including your heart.
Follow manufacturer's instructions.
Always read and follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines provided with your electric blanket. These instructions are designed to ensure proper usage and safety. Pay close attention to the recommended temperature settings, usage duration, and any specific precautions mentioned by the manufacturer. Adhering to these instructions will significantly minimize the risk of heart-related issues or other potential health risks.
Limit usage time and temperature.
To minimize the risk of heart-related issues, limit your usage time and temperature settings when using an electric blanket. Avoid prolonged exposure to high heat levels, as this can potentially raise your body temperature, leading to increased cardiovascular stress. It's recommended to use the electric blanket to warm up your bed before you sleep and then turn it off or set it to a lower temperature while sleeping.
Monitor your comfort and symptoms.
During the use of an electric blanket, pay attention to your comfort level and any symptoms you may experience. If you notice any discomfort, such as excessive sweating, palpitations, shortness of breath, or chest pain, immediately discontinue using the electric blanket and consult with your healthcare provider. These symptoms could be indicative of a negative reaction to the heat and may require further medical evaluation. That brings us to the end of this video on precautions to take while using electric blankets to minimize the risk of heart-related issues. Remember, when using an electric blanket, always consult with your healthcare provider, choose a high-quality product, inspect it regularly, and